Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to provide an update on my Robinhood portfolio. Currently I'm at $259,934, cash position of $17,000. I also have another $30,000 in a high yield savings account so I can easily deploy into the market when there are opportunities to buy. Most of my portfolio is in US equities, and the market has been very volatile due to all the uncertainty. Taking a look at what I bought recently, scroll down a bit. So my largest position is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This makes up 16.29% of portfolio, or $42,333. I'm up 8.13%. Next is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. Makes up 6.49% portfolio, or $16,857, up 83.96% on this position. Next is Schwab Large Cap ETF. Makes up 4.41% portfolio, or $11,458, up 20.33%. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF makes up 1.02% portfolio, or $2,649, up 37%. Spider S&P 500 ETF makes up 0.9% portfolio, or $2,349, up 38%. Many of you guys have been asking why I have so many ETFs. So I actually started buying ETFs when I first invested. So I try to diversify, but I think I over-diversified. So I should probably stick to one ETF. But that was my strategy back in the day, just buying ETFs. But now I plan to buy more stocks. All right, largest stock position is Apple. Makes up 6.57% portfolio, or $17,085. Currently up 91.48%. Next is Microsoft. Makes up 5.12% portfolio, or $13,298, up 109%. Alibaba makes up 4.5% portfolio, or $11,698, up 20.12%. Nvidia makes up 4.35% portfolio, or $11,300, up 67.76%. Visa makes up 4.28% portfolio, or $11,123, up 67.8%. Google Class A shares, this is with voting rights, makes up 2.13% portfolio, or $5,544, up 34.78%. Class C shares, which does not have voting rights, makes up 1.6% portfolio, or $4,167, up 39%. Amazon makes up 3.66% portfolio, or $9,517, up 100%. Johnson & Johnson makes up 3.33% portfolio, or $8,647, up 15.1%. Tencent makes up 3.19% portfolio, or $8,294, up 26.44%. Facebook makes up 2.78% portfolio, or $7,218, up 27.53%. United Health makes up 2.1% portfolio, or $5,466, up 66.2%. McDonald's makes up 2.09% portfolio, or $5,438, up 12.77%. Home Depot makes up 1.62% portfolio, or $4,220, up 54%. AT&T makes up 1.63% portfolio, or $4,225, down 17.87%. So this position I've been down. I don't plan to add more to this position or dollar cost average, but I plan to continue collecting the dividends just by holding. So I don't plan to make any changes to this position. Boeing makes up 1.53% portfolio or $3,988. I'm down 40.96%. Costco makes up 1.53% portfolio or $3,971, up 26.84%. PayPal makes up 1.34% portfolio or $3,473, up 89.13%. Berkshire Hathaway makes up 1.23% portfolio or $3,180, down 4.16%. PepsiCo makes up 1.19% portfolio or $3,087, up 13%. 3M makes up 1.14% portfolio or $2,970, down 23.49%. NextEra Energy makes up 0.8% of my portfolio or $2,067, up 31%. Baozun, which is a Shopify of China, makes up 0.73% portfolio or $1,902, down 13.97%. Activision Blizzard makes up 0.67% portfolio or $1,752, up 11%. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company makes up 0.55% portfolio, $1,430, up 20.69%. Disney, this is a new position I just got into with an average cost of $100.98. Makes up 0.55% portfolio or $1,424, up 8.52%. Cisco, this is another new position with an average cost of $41.81. Makes up 0.53% portfolio or $1,381, up 3.23%. Trade Desk, this is also another new position with an average cost of $291. Makes up 0.24% portfolio or $631, up 8.42%. Baidu, which is the Google of China, makes a 0.42% portfolio or $1,097, down 45.89%. Constellation Brands makes up 0.19% of a portfolio or $498, down 24%. Ichi makes up 0.13% portfolio or $349, down 42%. Next couple ones are ETFs. I'll just breeze through them really quickly, which this one makes up 0.61% portfolio or $1584, currently up 8%. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary makes up 0.76% portfolio or $1,972, up 45%. Vanguard Healthcare ETF makes up 0.66% portfolio or $1,700, up 46%. Vanguard Industrials ETF makes up 0.41% portfolio or $1,074, down 1.98%. So also on my Robinhood portfolio, I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and buying more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend-paying stocks and growth stocks. I also plan on increasing my cash position, currently at $17,000 in my Robinhood account and $30,000 in my high-yield savings account, so I can easily deploy when there's opportunities to buy. That's all for this video. What's in your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.